Okay, let's talk about knowledge bases in 3-axis. The cool thing about 3-axis and our plugins is that the plugin already understands that you have a geometry part displayed, and it already understands if you have a stock defined. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just create some operations real quick. We're going to create a stock. We'll just pick a copy model bounding box stock, and we're going to go ahead and create a couple of a roughing and a finishing operation. Now, the two operations I'm using, they're present in every configuration. So whichever, doesn't matter what configuration you do have a base set of operations that I'm going to be pulling from. So you have a horizontal roughing. So we're going to go ahead and, as I mentioned, in 3-axis, you don't have to select geometry. If you don't select any geometry, RhinoCAM is going to automatically calculate the toolpath based on your part geometry and the stock that you have defined. So there's two requirements. You got to have geometry displayed, and it's got to be 3D geometry displayed, not a drawing. And you got to have your stock defined. So, and another thing I want to mention we're going to get talking about the defaults. Actually, I skipped that, and I'll talk about it here in just a moment.